Hi everyone, and welcome to the video benefits of using Flask, why we should learn Flask. Flask is a powerful and flexible micro-web framework that has become increasingly popular over the years. In this video, we will be discussing the benefits of using Flask and why it is a must-learn for all web developers.
Stay with me, little bitch, yeah, you know that I'm your man. You be capping like a snitch, no thoughts, one step, 2 hoes, 10 toes, new guac, new bands, new whip, new chips, new kicks.
Easy to learn. Flask is straightforward and easy to learn, making it a great starting point for beginners who are just getting started with web development. With its simple structure and concise documentation, Flask is easy to pick up, even for those with no prior web development experience. Scalable. Flask is designed to be scalable and flexible, allowing it to grow with your project. Whether you are building a small, single-page website or a large-scale web application, Flask has the capability to handle it all. Lightweight. Flask is a lightweight framework that is easy to use and maintain. This makes it an excellent choice for developing applications that need to be fast and efficient. Versatile. Flask is highly versatile and can be used for a variety of web development tasks, such as building REST APIs, creating web applications, or even hosting static websites. Large community. Flask has a large and growing community of developers who are constantly contributing to the framework and providing support to others. This means that you will never be far from help when you need it. Plenty of plugins. Flask has a vast array of plugins and extensions available, allowing you to add new functionality to your applications with ease. Whether you need to add authentication, database support, or even server-side rendering, there is a plugin available for almost everything. In conclusion, Flask is an excellent choice for web developers of all skill levels. Whether you are just starting out or a seasoned pro, Flask has something to offer everyone. So why not give it a try and see for yourself why Flask is such a popular and powerful tool for web development. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon in the next video for the playlist.